This is the video for Robotics 1. Group member is Amel and Yuankai He, or William He. So here I have the GUI that I have created, and by clicking on the Create Robot button, we will have created a robot right here. As you can see, the first link is 7 units long, and because of how we structured our robot, there's a distance between the endpoint of the first link to the servo. So I have added a link there. It is a link that does not move. And there is a height difference, so that is the offset along the z-axis, and that is taken into account. And our second link is also 7, and then our third link has a length of 3. And by clicking on the envelope button, it will start from -90 to 90 for all of the joint angles. Notice how the third servo does not rotate. It is because that the third servo, because of the way of how we constructed our robot, does not change the position of the end effector, but it simply changes the orientation of the end effector. And I have the for loops incrementing at 10 degrees. And let's just wait for that to finish. Okay, and for the forward kinematics, I can input the angle and it will be converted into radians, and the end effector will move just as that. And then for the error function, I have these are the predefined angles of each of the joints. And by clicking on the error, the model will tell me what is the predicted value, and I have inputted the actual value here. It will then continue to calculate the error, which is the distance between the predicted position and the actual position. And finally, it will calculate the average error down here, as you can see. And then after we are done with that, we want to optimize our code. So by simply typing in DH optimization, you will see that it is continually to optimize my DH parameter. That is the A and D value that is in the robot when I created the robot. As you can see, here are the final DH. There are the final optimized DH parameters.